15, baby. Fist bump. All right, it's day 15. We made it, guys. We made it to the last day of this challenge. So, what have we come to learn so far? A whole hell of a lot, right? It's like drinking information from a fire hose. It's just a lot of good information. Some of it I already knew, some of it I didn't. I don't know about you, but I learned a lot. So now some of the things that we should already have is from our business plan advisor, we should have a business plan laid out for us, a direction that we know we want to go. Now, some of you may have gone into some of the higher levels of training and you'll be whisked away and you're gonna go through all of that by now. I haven't had a chance to go through that, so I will make videos on that once that comes up for me. But for now, I'm just happy that I made it through the 15-day challenge. Now, some things to remember: if you didn't go through some of the higher levels of training, if you weren't able to opt in for that, then you gotta keep in mind support is still there. You still have a way to contact your business plan advisor. You can still talk to them. You can still keep in touch with them, ask them questions, and they can help you along. Now, one of the things that your BPA should have done for you already is unlocked your Marketers Club. Now, Marketers Club has some incredible information in there. A lot of trainings from and interviews, different people, a lot of video interviews that you can watch and learn a lot more from. If you're interested in YouTube, they have an interview with Nathan Lucas, who is my inspiration for starting a YouTube channel like this. And he goes over some of the best reasons why YouTube, he feels, is the best way to get into marketing. Video marketing is going to be the new thing. But I have to say, one of the most striking pieces of information that is in the Marketers Club is you have access to these Monday morning calls. And they're with Matt Hetzel, who is the head of training at Legendary Marketer. And that guy is an absolute wealth of information. And he doesn't hold anything back. He goes through different techniques in Facebook ads. He goes through different techniques in marketing in general, email marketing. There's just a wealth of information there, so make sure you check that out. If you're not sure how to get there, either ask your BPA or, if I remember right, you're on your homepage, the Legendary Marketer homepage, you click on products, and then you'll see a drop-down menu for Marketers Club. Click on that, and then you'll be you'll have the full shebang. You'll be able to look at all of it. Now, you can also keep learning through the community. There is a Facebook group that you can be a part of. It's free to join. You're already a part of if you're part of the Marketers Club, then you can join into the Facebook group. And a lot of good information there, people passing information back and forth, helping each other out. It's a great place to be if you're trying to get a leg up in this industry. It's also a great place to put yourself around like-minded people. Like we mentioned in some of the past videos, you're the average of the 5 people that you spend your most time with. If you don't have that group of people that you can just hang around with that is going to build you up and give you that encouragement, then I strongly suggest that you head over to the Facebook group and hang out with some people over there, because it'll really start changing the way that you think about this. Now, some of the parting words from David is just a reminder that this 15-day challenge is just the beginning of it. And it really is. It is the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to this Legendary Marketer than just the 15-day challenge. And if you just stick with the 15-day challenge, there's a lot of information there. If you have that ability to go to some of the other programs, I would strongly suggest it. I can't wait to get into them myself. Now, I know life has its challenges. We all face them. But what separates the winners from the losers, the people who win are the people who are able to overcome that obstacle. They don't let it hold them back. Sure, it's a slowdown, but it's not permanent. It may take a couple months. It may take some time down the road. But I don't know about you. This goes back to mindset. And my mindset is of that I'm going to make this happen. It's going to happen. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's going to happen. It may not happen right now, but that's okay because I know that it's going to happen. I'm going to create that situation for myself. Now, that is more along the lines of the mindset of a winner. A loser would say, well, I just can't do it. I can't overcome this obstacle. It's too big. And if that's the way that you're thinking, I urge you to change your mindset, because that's not the mindset of somebody who wins. We all have obstacles in life. We all have life that happens to us, and it can be a setback, yes. But persistence and determination is what separates somebody from the winners and the losers. So which one are you? That's your decision. I can't make it for you, and nobody else can make your mind up for you either. But if you do want to win, the biggest thing that you have to remember, the biggest takeaway, is start taking action. Start making those steps. Do what you have to. I'm here right now making this video after work, a long day at work, 12-hour day, and I'm here making this video. I'm tired, but you know what? I'm not giving up. It's not an option. Failure isn't an option. So just remember, take action. Don't sit down. Don't let life happen to you. Life has already been happening to you. That's probably why you're watching this video right now, because you're tired of life happening to you. It's time for you to take action, because right now, it's your time. Thank you so much for coming with me on this journey. I'm going to have more videos to come about making money online and just mostly about affiliate marketing and different ways of making money online. So please stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell because you don't want to miss out on it. My name is Daniel. It's been nice hanging out with you on this 15 days. If you have any comments, hit me up below. You know what to do. So I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.